Going over the trades for the day, we had a nice trading day yesterday. Nice smooth uptrend. Today is very choppy. And Cobra 3 mini S&P, they pulled back here, stopped out, and then rallied. So minus 625 on that. Cobra 3 mini Nasdaq, minus 145. It's in this trade. You see it sitting up here at the highs, about 150 points from all-time highs. And I said yesterday we're a chip shot away. And so sometimes when we, in the past, when we're a chip shot away, it can take a little time to get there. It kind of wears you out if you're sitting here waiting for it to go there right away. Yesterday was 150-point range, and you know, 150 points is not much, but if we're that close, it's a little tepid. You know, you get profit takers coming in here, nervous that they need to sell now before it makes highs in case it doesn't, and so you get buyers and sellers. You get those that are afraid. FOMO, they've missed the move and they don't want to miss a blow-off rally that goes to new highs, and you get others that went long near the lows down here and are just enjoying taking profits at this point as the market feels heavy right here. And so, you know, it could be a struggle to get to new highs even though it's so close, but it is still a chip shot away. Or it could happen, you know, right at the very end of the day or overnight. And so we see these massive moves that happen overnight or at the end of the day, and in the middle of the day it's really choppy. It's hemming and hawing, and that can be what happens in the middle of the day. But Cobra 3 mini Nasdaq is in it. We'll hold it till 4, see if it gets that move. We have adaptive moving average that's long, plus 312.50. SR counter trend 2, plus 300. Tick count trend 2, plus 225. 60-minute breakout, minus 237.50. So it'll hold overnight. If it doesn't, this is the ES, it'll hold overnight if it doesn't get in on, if it doesn't get stopped out, or if it doesn't hit its profit target. You know, if the market just stays right here towards the close. And then we've got gap continuation. Nice sell-off here in the middle of the day, but the market just keeps bouncing back no matter what. You know, it's normal to have distribution days, but those just don't happen. The market just comes back in and it'll prop it up. It has more energy to prop it up than it does to push it to new highs at times. And right now you're seeing that. It came out, went to the highs of this morning and overnight, and it's just waiting here in a holding pattern. About 40 minutes to the close, and you know, as the closer we get to the close, you know, it could make that move at the end of the day towards new highs, and then continue that in the after hours or overnight. So minus 325 on gap continuation. Some good long trades and a couple of losers today on Cobra 3 and gap continuation. All strategy access 2, tick pullback. Got caught in that pullback right here. So one of our favorite strategies is the trade tick pullback, but the market has been caught in some pullbacks lately that are rather steep. Tick count trend took a two long trades, so it's around break even, minus 50 on the day. Had a nice day yesterday with a nice profit target here, and then an end of day exit with a scratch trade right there. And we have those are all the trades on the All Strategy Access 1 and 2, All Strategy Access 3, Cobra Euro 4, right around break even, plus 1875. Nice short on Asia Gold, plus 975, and soybeans. Long trade got out at the open, plus 162.50. Just not a lot of range in soybeans, so it's hard to have a large winner in soybeans when there's not a lot of price movement. And All Strategy Access 4, crude oil, Cobra Crude, that was yesterday. It was profitable. SR counter trend 3, natural gas, holds overnight, plus 140. Cobra Gold had a nice short in gold. Gold is down today, so a couple of nice shorts in gold, plus 575 on that. All Strategy Access 5, no trades there. All Strategy Access 6, ES after hours, lost, and so it's had 2 losers in a row. Not stopped out though. You see that it rallied right after we got out, so missed out on that move based on the rules of the strategy. 60-minute breakout went short, and then it reversed along and stopped out twice in a row. So it's had 5 losers in a row in this new strategy. So good time to start a strategy after it's been choppy. It just you know, lately it just won't have a short trade. It's just going to reverse anything that looks like a good short signal in the current market to prop it up, and you see at this point it's propping it up, but it's not pushing higher, propping up, and then the push higher might come overnight. So those are the updates on the day. 25K portfolio. Had this soybean swing 162.50, gap continuation minus 325, Cobra 3, mini Nasdaq minus 145, SR Canada Trend 2 plus 225. So 37 minutes to the close. We'll see if the market can rally or if it rolls over, or if it will do like last Friday and just sell off and then rally. Lots of hemming and hawing up here near the highs in the Nasdaq. So overall, a decent trading day, kind of break even to down a little bit, and we will see how this market closes.